HyperX NGENUITY is software for managing HyperX gaming peripherals. Connection problems usually show up as the app failing to detect devices, USB errors, or driver conflicts, especially on Windows and Mac OS. These issues can prevent you from customizing settings like RGB lighting or equalizer profiles. As of late 2025, HyperX NGENUITY has updated to version 2025.3.1, improving compatibility with Windows 11.12 and Mac OS Sonoma Ventura. These updates feature better USB driver detection and app stability, but problems persist with USB hubs and older USB 2.0 ports. Connection failures often happen during firmware updates or when using multiple devices at the same time. HyperX devices connect via USB using protocols like HID. The HID standard allows human interface devices such as keyboards and headsets to communicate directly with the operating system through a structured stack of drivers. A common issue is a mismatch between the system's USB drivers and the device's requirements. This can occur when device drivers are outdated or incompatible with the current operating system version. Verify that your USB port delivers enough power. HyperX headsets typically require at least 5 volts and 500 milliamps of power for proper operation. Test the port with a device that you know is working. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the port itself or specifically with your HyperX device. The NGENUITY app depends on Microsoft .NET framework for proper operation. Drivers can be installed automatically through the app or downloaded manually from the HyperX website. Check for device conflicts using Device Manager on Windows or System Information on Mac OS. Reinstalling drivers after uninstalling the old ones can resolve many connectivity issues. Clearing the app's cache or running it in compatibility mode may also help with performance problems. Common connection problems with HyperX NGENUITY often stem from antivirus software blocking necessary ports, firmware mismatches between devices and the app, or operating system updates disrupting permissions. To isolate issues, connect one device at a time and disable overlays like NVIDIA GeForce Experience that might interfere. Finally, use tools like USB Deview to inspect USB ports for any underlying problems. Let's look at real-world examples of fixing HyperX NGENUITY connection issues. First, a common problem with the Quadcast microphone, where users experienced no audio input after a firmware update. The solution involved updating the NGENUITY app to the latest version and connecting the microphone through a powered USB hub to ensure sufficient power delivery. Another example involves the CloudX keyboard failing to be detected by NGENUITY. This often occurred after Windows updates that caused driver conflicts. Users resolved it by uninstalling any Logitech drivers, even if not currently in use, and then performing a clean reinstall of the HyperX keyboard drivers through the NGENUITY app. Finally, users reported NGENUITY app crashes on macOS systems. The fix required enabling full disk access in macOS privacy and security settings to allow the app proper permissions, and updating to the latest beta version for improved stability on macOS. Expert opinions on HyperX NGENUITY rate its troubleshooting capabilities as adequate but reactive, meaning it addresses issues after they occur rather than preventing them. User statistics reveal the most common problems. USB errors account for 45% of reported support tickets, followed by app crashes at 30% and driver mismatches at 25%. Looking ahead, the trend is toward integrated ecosystems and user-driven fixes. HyperX will focus on seamless multi-device setups, making it easier to connect multiple peripherals. Future versions of NGENUITY might include AI-assisted diagnostics to automatically fix driver conflicts. By 2027, expect better USB-C support and cross-platform syncing to reduce driver issues.